Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. That's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. Now, I'm going to have to say you have to bear with me at the moment. I do have a bit of a cold, but I'm working through this. So what I have noticed is that people on TikTok have loved my MACD video, and I thought why not give a update to that video so the YouTube family can get in on some of this source and they can understand what I'm talking about when I say trend trading a 4-hour MACD and looking on a 15-minute time frame for entries. I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls, and please don't forget, if you want to get into the VIP one-time fee access group, then what you need to do is just click on that link above there. You can watch the video with all the services and you can get involved. It's a one-time fee and this is for life, and I'm telling you guys and girls, you're going to love this one. We got some excellent signals that have been coming out. There's Zoom calls that come out on Sundays as well and things of that nature. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate. Okay, so now you can see I am on my chart at the moment, and on my chart I have the 15-minute time frame on gold. I do have a MACD here, which is a custom MACD which somebody has made on TradingView, and I will link that below in the description if you want to get this indicator, and I'll also link the TDI here. Just to start off with the settings, so when we come to the settings on this indicator here, please make sure you copy all of the settings I've got right there and these settings over here. And when it comes to the TDI, same thing, but these are basic settings. You can copy all of the settings over here as well. So let's get straight into the strategy. To keep it nice and simple, what we are looking for is whenever this turns green, we're looking for the TDI to be at 30 or below and look for buys. Whenever it turns red down here, the MACD, we're looking for the TDI to be at 70 or above. I am going to show you how you can set alerts on this at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, the next thing people are going to ask me is, okay, where's your stop loss and your take profit supposed to be? Guys and girls, you need to be knowing this by now if you are a subscriber of mine. The last high or low that did form in the market, and where your take profit is any structure over to the left. So anything you see on the left of the screen, that's where your take profit levels would be, like here, 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 and so on. You can go to a higher time frame to look at that as well. If you'd like to see that video as well, how I draw my support and resistance, I'll link that video below. So now let's just pay attention to the trades that did appear from August going through to September. So we can see this trade here was a winner. This is why I marked it out like this. Now, why I call this a winner is we did see the market went to a 70 here. It did turn red, and we can see the market went back up to this level for a divergence move. So you are going to get this sometimes, so pay attention to that. And you can see straight away that we had an entry here on the TDI, and of course this was more than a 1-to-4 trade. Here's where it does get funny in the market, and I'm glad this does come up straight away rather than seeing a bunch of trades that people think I've cherry picked and we don't get losers. No, of course you do. So you can see here was a loser, here, 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 and here. So we had 5 losers in a row before getting a possible winner or break-even trade here. This does happen, so I want people to pay attention to that. It's not always going to be perfect, but these were small losers because you can see a stop loss would have been just above these highs and you would have got taken out relatively quickly, not losing a lot of pips or profit. So we can see there was another loser here as well, another loser here, and then we did have a winner here. So again, let's pay attention to the winner. We can see it's green down here. We had a tap of the 70 level or just close enough right here, and we've seen price action has bought up. We can see there was another entry here again, green here. Again, we've had a pullback here. Price action bought up. When we come over here, we can see that the TDI is above the 70, and we can see right now we have had a sell for a winning trade. Here we would have had a losing trade, as we can see it only went down once and pulled back, and here we would have had a winning trade. Look at this red down here. We can also see at the same time that the market has given us a nice TDI pullback for an entry, and over here we can see we would have had a loser at first, but then we would have had a winner afterwards. So you can see all the winners start to come in now, and this is what happens. We was in August, which is a consolidation month, accumulation consolidation, so it does happen. But as soon as we got into September, we started to see huge breakouts like we've been seeing in the VIP group as well. So you can see here would have been another sell trade, as you can see right here. And this one would have been maybe a small profits before it went back up, maybe a break even. And we can see right over here, there was a losing trade here. We did have a shark fin right here, touched the 30, but of course the market just reversed and it did not go even 1-to-1. We can see there's an entry for a win here, right over here. So you can see the power of what the TDI is doing for you. And this is why I've used the TDI from day one of my trading, and I still use it to today. The TDI is a very amazing indicator, and people have to realize how powerful it is, especially when you add it with other things. And this is what I've been doing, adding my indicators with other things to make great strategies for myself. And we can see here's another one right over here. So here we can see there's a sell here. We can see there's a buy here. We can see there's another buy alert here, and then we had a sell alert here. So people might be asking me, okay, John, why did you take this sell alert here? I'm going to explain why a sell would have been here, even though it didn't touch 70, because how we will set up our alerts. And we can see here was another sell trade. So this one probably would have been maybe a winner, maybe a break even, but there we go. We did have that entry there, and we did have this massive buy going up here. And that's pretty much all we had for the time being. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do the alerts now. So what you can actually do with this strategy is you can trade it on any pair, but instead of getting overwhelmed, I would suggest you stick to maybe 1 to 2 or maybe up to like 4 pairs. So maybe 3 major pairs and gold, US 30, NAS or something like that. And what you want to do is the first thing is right click on your MACD and then go to add alert. Once you've gone to add alert, make sure you go to once per bar close, but you want to do MACD crossing MACD, which is this one here. And then you want to go to MACD crossing the signal line once per bar close. And then once you set this up, what will happen is every single time this turns from green to red, you're going to get an alert. So if you set that on every individual pair that you're watching, every time it crosses over, you're going to get an alert. Now, after you've seen the alert on the MACD, the next thing you want to do is make sure you go to your TDI, you go to add alert as well. But this time, what you want to actually do is set it up to TDI crossing value. And when you go to value, you want to go to the fast MA. Now what this is going to do is that, look what happened here. As soon as I did that, it set another line up here to say that there's an alert. As soon as the RSI gets to this level, it's going to give me an alert. Why I say you want it at 65 and you're going to want to have it at 25 as well is because when price action gets close enough to giving you an alert at the 70 or 30, at least now you can get to your chart and have an analysis and see if you want to take the trade, if it's at 68 or maybe if it's at 28 or etc. And that's literally it, guys and girls. Nice, short and sweet. And this is how you can make profits trading this. Like I said, I saw a lot of people on TikTok were liking this video. So if you don't follow me on TikTok already, at BigJohn_BK, I'll be putting shorter videos on there, maybe even videos that won't go on YouTube. So you want to make sure you are following me over there. So take the time out, make sure you go create and adapt the strategy if you need to, make it work for you. If you want to get into the Lifetime Access VIP group, all the information is below in the description. There's a Telegram link and there's also a Discord link. It's your boy Big John and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.